Have you ever worked with CentOS 9 and managing users in Linux?
Yes, I have. User management is crucial for system administration, and it involves tasks like creating users, assigning groups, and maintaining system security.
That sounds complicated. How do you add users to groups?
To include a user in a group, administrators utilize commands like Useradd and Usermod. Primary and secondary groups are defined in specific files.
What about managing user groups?
Adding an existing user to a group is straightforward. This process helps organize users for better system management.
Is there a simplified way to manage users?
Yes, we can use basic options for the Useradd command, such as customizing home directories and managing group memberships to tailor user experiences.
That's helpful. How do you remove users from groups?
Removing a user from a group is an organized way to adjust user access. This process ensures security and efficient group management.
Wow, I had no idea. This video was informative. Thanks for sharing.
Glad to help. For more details, refer to system documentation.